All right, guys, what's up? It's Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. Hope you're all doing well, having a good day trading. I've had a good day so far. My Topstep payment from last week for 2,700 net, so that's a $3,000 payout. That was the third one, finally hit today, so that's good. That was fast, very good processing time. Appreciate it. I know Topstep's very busy, so it took 4 days, 4 business days to get that payout. I got the first 2 payouts from Topstep last week in a couple business days, so really good. Thank you, Topstep. Appreciate it. Great company, always pays, usually pays pretty fast. And if you ever have an issue with anything, they've got great customer service when you learn how to use their chatbot, Wendy. A lot of people complain. You've got to go through the prompts of the chatbot to get to a person to resolve whatever it is you want to resolve. And in my experience, Topstep has been fantastic at resolving, little things with the dashboard or whatever. So anyways, got that payout. That's awesome. I put in the 6th Tradeify payout request this morning for another 3K, right? 2,700 net. And that one, guys, hit my bank account in like 10 minutes. I wasn't timing it, but it was lightning fast. So that was awesome. So now I've got all 6 Tradeify accounts ready to start trading again, and I'll trade those tonight. I like trading those during Asia. It's kind of my favorite time to trade my Tradeify accounts. So let's see if I can get to the 3rd payout on my 6 grandfathered SIM defunded accounts, get another 18K. God willing, we'll see. Anything can happen at some point. I'm not going to be on fire forever, but let's hope it lasts a little bit longer. What else? Yeah, so that's payouts. I'm all caught up on payouts, which is cool. Working on my Topstep funded accounts, those 3 that I showed you guys in the last couple of videos. And those are the ones I'm focused on primarily right now. So yesterday I hit a $500 winner on each one of those copy trading. I think the day before or the day before that, I might have hit another $300, $400 winner. I can't really remember, to be honest. And then today I hit a $700 winner on those accounts copy trading. So 700 each. So that's 2,100 total, right? So I think I've got 3 positive days on those accounts. And now they've got about, let's see, coming into today, they had about a $21,000 collective balance on the 3 accounts. So after $2,100 in profit today, $700 on each account, I guess I'm a little over $23,000 in profit on those accounts. So 2 more days and I'll be putting in a $5,000 payout request on all 3 of those accounts. So that'll be another 15K gross, 13.5K net coming in from Topstep by the end of this week. So, hey, that's a good week. I'll take it. It's better than being poked in the eye with a sharp stick, as a wise man once told me. All right, we got to have fun here, guys. We got to be a little bit silly and lighten it up a little bit because trading can be intense. Okay, let's go ahead and look at my charts here. I'll show you the trade that I took today. And again, we will live stream, I promise. I'm looking forward to it. I just can't do it right now with my internet. It's just too spotty in this place and drives me nuts. So I got to get down to the beach in the next couple of weeks, get the new place, and then we will do some live streaming, which I'm excited about. And I'll start teaching you guys how all this stuff works. And I'm also running my algos, programming everything into Sierra charts. I'm starting to run some tests, and I'm really excited to get the automated side of my trading up and running, because I'll do a special video on automated trading, but I've pretty much got, I would say, a very, very good approach to it. And it has to do with knowing what kind of a day you think it's going to be first, and then you got to run the right auto system on the right day. Now, you're not going to do that every day because you're not going to be right every day. But if you got a good system and you can generally be right about what you think is going to happen at the macro level for the day, then you run the right strategy during that day, it'll put the odds on your side dramatically. So I'm super excited to test that. Sierra charts is awesome. I know it can be a little bit complicated for beginners, but I think Sierra charts just the best. So powerful. I'm not affiliated. Maybe I should be. Start marketing for them or something, because I believe in their product so much. All right, so let's go ahead and just, crazy day today. This is the higher time period. You can see, we kind of hung out here overnight, and then CPI just bang straight down, and then found support down here, grinded higher back to the value area high of the day. And over here on my daily chart, I wasn't really sure what was going to happen today, to be honest. And there are days like that where I look at my daily chart here, my higher time period chart, and I say to myself, I don't know what's going to happen. And then I generally won't do anything unless I start to get a sense of what's going on during the day like I did today, which is why I traded. So this was yesterday's range, very tight inside bar, right? Because we didn't exceed the high there or the low there from the day previous. So you got to be careful on those. You know, when you get an inside bar on the daily, the next day can be a little wild. Today was wild. We had CPI. So basically, once we smash down here into this pocket, you can see these blue lines here. This makes a pocket, right? You see this pocket. That's a support pocket. And you see how it's got my congestion support cyan turquoise dots here. When you're in congestion, these are key levels, and they're there before the day starts, okay? So like when this day closed, these dots are here, my congestion dot and my other dot. You know, they're there before the day starts, and based on what I'm seeing across all my charts, you know, I will determine if I think on this day that's going to be a good support level. On that day, I did determine that. Same thing here, like these two yellow dots, these are there when that day closes. So you've got your levels coming into the day ahead of time. You know what to do. Do they always work? No. But when you use them in the right circumstance, like the right situation, then yeah, they work really, really well. I know the camera's here, guys, but I'm focused on the charts here, and we'll get a better setup at some point. I think the mic's pretty good, though. At least it's loud. I can't stand when I put my phone on loud and I'm trying to listen to a YouTube video and I can hardly hear it. So I want to make my mic loud. All right, so coming into today, didn't really know, but we were in congestion, so I did expect more of the same, you know, just kind of this kind of crap, which makes for a great trading range, right? That's congestion when you're in a range. I call it congestion, range-bound trading. So what happened was, here's my intraday charts again, higher time period, 50,000 volume chart, lower time period, 10,000 volume chart. And when we closed right there, okay, so you see CPI bombing lower, we pick up some support. I was sleeping here. I slept in today. And I didn't even start trading till like 10 a.m. Eastern. So when I woke up, looked at my screen, boom, I saw this. I was waiting for this higher time period to close because I always want to make my trading decisions based on, okay, what do I think is going to happen for the day, right? That's like the macro view. And then based on that, what's the higher time period chart here doing? And then if I like something I see on the higher time period chart because it's in line with what I expect on the daily, then I look to the lower time period chart for confirmation, you know, to enter the trade or not, right? And then where to put my stops and all that kind of stuff. So when I saw this pop up here, well, guess what? We're in a pocket. You see, that's a resistance pocket, right? Now, is that pocket going to be strong and push price down and be good resistance, or is it going to break and go through? Well, in this case, you see my cyan dot right there. You see how it was tested, but then the close, it held on close. Well, that means to me, it's going to at least have some effect to try to drive price from here at the opening bar back down at least to the middle of the moving average envelope here. These dots, and you see the pink dot, the near low. You see how all that stuff is stacked right there? It's all stacked. So I thought that, yeah, we might probably want to go at least from here. You know, you got this yellow dot here. This is really important. So we might want to go from here, just kind of back down in here. So I thought, all right, I'll look for a short. Well, if I'm going to look for a short, then I turn to my higher. I don't just go in because of what I see here. I look to my lower time period, and that was right here. Okay, so we see here, we're trending up, we're trending up, we're trending up. That's all this bar here. And then boom, we pop over. Now I wait. Okay, boom, we get congestion entrance down. That bar closes on the other side of my moving average envelope middle here, right? So my family just got home. You'll hear them in the background, no big deal. And we had some good selling on the footprint. So I went short. My 3 Topstep XFAs here. You know, my original stop, I put it wide. I put it back here. I'm willing to accept that risk. Doesn't mean I won't cut the trade early if I start to see signs that it's not working. I will do that sometimes, oftentimes. I manage my losses the same way I manage my winners. So I shorted here and just kind of sat through this. The next close, right, was also below the middle of the moving average envelope. So I was like, okay, it's confirming. I like this trade. I'll hold it. And then my target was right down in here, right near the value area low for that bar, right? So it was a very nice trade, $700 on each account. And then I was done because I don't need to make more than that. I don't want to force it. and I just wait for those setups, pick them. I'm not right every time, but lately having a good run and just want to keep it going. All right, guys, my family's home. I'm going to go, but put your comments and questions, whatever, in the comment section, and we'll continue to do some more videos. Okay, take care, you guys. Bye.